Psalm 4, the frequency of stillness. Hear me when I call, O God of my righteousness. Thou hast enlarged me when I was in distress. Have mercy upon me and hear my prayer. O ye sons of men, how long will ye turn my glory into shame? How long will ye love vanity and seek after falsehood? Selah. But know that the Lord hath set apart him that is godly for himself. The Lord will hear when I call unto him. Stand anon and sin not. Commune with your own heart upon your bed, and be still, Selah. Offer the sacrifices of righteousness, and put your trust in the Lord. There be many that say, Who will show us any good? Lord, lift thou up the light of thy countenance upon us. Thou hast put gladness in my heart, more than in the time that their corn and their wine increased. I will both lay me down in peace and sleep, for thou, Lord, only makest me dwell in safety. Devotional meditation. Psalm 4 is a frequency of inner reconciliation, a call to surrender the day's accusations, fears, and unrest to the mercy of God. It begins with distress, but ends with rest. This is a psalm for twilight hearts, for those who have spoken truth, yet been misunderstood, for those who ache in the stillness and need reassurance that God both hears and answers. It trains the soul to commune inwardly, to listen, and thus reestablish divine coherence within the spirit. Saint Seraphim of Sarov practiced inner stillness as a living prayer, embodying the message of this psalm. To dwell in holy quietness even in a world of uproar. Those who pray this psalm activate nightward angels, guardians who keep vigil while we sleep. Invocation of activation. O beloved, silence the tremors of my heart. As the stars rise, so let my soul find rest in you. Reveal yourself in the stillness, in the secret place within. With seraphim and the saints of holy silence, I release all contention, and I rest beneath your gaze. Amen.